Welcome back to the Link Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the PowerLink BT+, a battery-powered 24-volt and 48-volt 60-watt 802.11 BT installer tool designed with and for Tarana. Built for serious field performance, it delivers up to 6.6 hours of runtime at 35 watts, or 5.3 hours at 45 watts, powered by an 80 amp-hour, 296 watt-hour battery. This compact unit measures just 250 by 80 by 70 millimeters, weighing only 1.9 kilograms, making it easy to carry and ideal for on-site work. It offers passive PoE 8-wire output at 24 and 48 volts, gigabit LAN, and dual-band Wi-Fi at 2.5 and 5 gigahertz AC for reliable connectivity in any environment. Equipped with internal ventilation and a 100-watt USB-C power bank input and output, the PowerLink BT Plus fully recharges in about 6 hours. Powered by the MT7621 and MT7615 chipsets, it's built for efficiency and performance you can rely on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and product highlights here on the Link Technologies YouTube channel.